Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to talk about Litecoin. Now, if you are confused by these lines, don't worry about it. We talked about this in my main channel many months ago. Just know this. I believe this isn't actually an impulsive structure on the upside, and instead is a WXY, and followed by that to about this point, we can consider Litecoin having a correction structure, which is going to be probably a WXY, either in form of a flat and a zigzag or potentially a double zigzag, doesn't really matter, suggesting maybe the bottom in Litecoin is actually right around this area. Now, I can find some sort of an impulse in here. However, it's a bit challenging, but again, it is definitely possible. But that's not really the point. You see, I actually have an open position in Litecoin, and I think I opened it right around this area. Why is that? To me, it seems like that starting from this point, Litecoin is actually in a correction structure and not an impulsive movement. And let's actually go on H4 time frame. Okay, so here's the deal. If you want to say that in Litecoin we are having an impulse, then okay, you must be able to find from this point to about here a 5-wave impulsive structure. However, I don't know about you guys. For me, it's pretty much impossible to find an impulse, and even if I'm able to find it, it is going to look so odd that it's going to make me say, you know what, it's probably not going to be my primary case, especially because in this move up in LTC, we have taken this important high about, let's say, $132. Now, ideally, I want to say this is probably like an ABC in form of a flat structure, which I'm going to talk about different possibilities in the short term in the next video. But just know this, if you do not want to be involved in any kind of short-term price action, you can consider Litecoin in the last couple of months being basically in a ranging pattern. And if you want to be optimistic in LTC, then okay, I would like to suggest to just wait a little bit more and see a move up in order to get a break of the higher band of the region, do a pullback, and then a continuation of the move up. And at that point, I think we can expect like a 50 to potentially 90-100% move on the upside in Litecoin. So again, if you do not care about the short-term price action, just wait a little bit more and see Litecoin getting a break of this level, pullback, and a continuation of the move up. If you care about what is happening in the short term, I think you can argue that soon we are going to hit some sort of a bottom and get our move on the upside, which this is going to be the topic of the next update about LTC. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Litecoin. And until the next update, have a wonderful time. Goodbye.